Hello everyone. Happy Navratri Golu 2020 and welcome to our Golu this year. And to go into a little more detail, on the first step we have Gayatri Devi, Hanuman carrying Lakshman and Ram, and we have Krishna and Balaram stealing butter, Krishna's Kalinganardana, Mukambike Devi dancing Ganesha, and then Guruvayurappan, and again another Gayatri Devi idol. On the second step, we have Saraswati, the Ashtalakshmi or the 8 Lakshmis, and then another Lakshmi idol. Third step, we have Ganesha, we have the Dasavatar, and then we have Vishnu. And the idol that you see in the center is handcrafted by us using polymer clay. And on the next step, we have Krishna, Radha, Hanuman with Ram, Lakshman, Sita, Chettiar, Chettichi, Ganesha, and then Yashodama and Krishna, and then we have Hanuman carrying the Sanjeevani mountain. And then on the last step, we have a Talayatam Bommai or a dancing doll. And we have again Yashodama scolding Krishna for some mischief he's done. And then Radha Krishna idols, and Ganesha idols. And we also have the Gajendra Moksham episode where Vishnu protects Gajendra from the clutches of the crocodile. And here on the left, we have the Govardhanagiri episode where Krishna lifts the Govardhanagiri mountain to help save the villagers and protect them from the rain. And below that, we have a cricket scene where all of the spectators were hand-painted by us using acrylic paint. And on the right side, we have a temple that was made out of thermocol, and all of the figurines, including the peacock, the Ganesha, Murugar, Navagraha, and inside the Pujari and the Nandi and Shiva Lingam inside, all of them were handcrafted using polymer clay. And then on the right side, we have a mini Golu that we've made using popsicle sticks and polymer clay again. And all of the worshippers are painted with acrylic paint on wooden dolls. And then here, we have a chariot again made with thermocol and then painted, and we have all of the followers again painted on wooden dolls. Over here we have the Kailash scene, and here we have Shiva, Parvati, Ganesha, Murugar, the gods and goddesses basically, Vishnu, Brahma. We also have Saraswati, Lakshmi, Nandi, and here we have some performers who are performing for the gods. And below that, we have the scene of how Ganesha got his elephant head, where Ganesha is protecting the castle as per Parvati's order and not letting anyone enter. And when Shiva tries to enter, Ganesha obviously stops him, and Shiva gets angry and chops off Ganesha's head with his Trishulam. Parvati is very angry about it and demands her son's life back. And at that point, basically, Shiva, with the help of his Ganas, attaches an elephant head to Ganesha's body and blesses him back to life. And here you can see Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva and Parvati blessing Ganesha. And on this side, we have another park scene where we have the vegetable seller, and then the fruit seller, and then we have a flower seller, and then a teacher who's teaching kids in the park. I'm going to try to get another view so you can see the kids as well. And then we have the traditional Indian water pump, where the ladies are trying to fill the water. And then here you can see a general waterfall theme. This year we've been to a lot of different waterfalls, so we wanted to include this in our Golu this year. And so primarily the waterfall and all of this was handcrafted. Waterfalls made out of paper and cardboard, and all of the people who are enjoying the waterfall are, I guess, painted using acrylic paint on wooden dolls. And yeah, so this is a waterfall theme, just to dedicate to all the waterfalls we've been to. These are some other handcrafted items, including the houses and community. And here's a kacheri that's happening on the side as well. So that, in short, is our Golu for 2020. Hope you liked it. And here's another view. All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye.